Okay, let's go on. Speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a competition you would like to take part in. Which tense is it?
Future.
Future tense. So any competition that you would like to take part in, please you can start.
Well, I have participated in many competitions in my college days and school days. In back 2015, I participated in my school competition, which was held by a school society, and that was badminton. And I was just a part of the team. But today I would like to talk about a competition. I would like to participate in that. That is programming competition. Well, I am quite good at programming because I am a developer by profession. That's why it will be fun for me, and it will give me a chance to polish my skills, and it will also increase my speed and ability of problem solving, and that moreover, I will improve my code writing speed by taking participate in these competition. I remember back in 2019. I participated in the programming competition, and everyone knows in my circle that I am quite good in programming.
All right,
And
thank you. I'm quite good in programming. What is the correct one?
at
I'm quite good at programming. Okay. So good in, it should be good at. And then you used and habitually after almost every sentence. So try to avoid that. And then you
yes,
said by participate. It should be by participating.
Did.
Yeah. So if you speak actively, these mistakes will be removed automatically. Now we move on to speaking part 3. Do you think children should participate in competitions?
Well, yes, everyone should participate in competitions. As I mentioned before, that it enhances your skill and creativity, and from my point of view, it will give you a chance to show your ability in your interviews. When you go for job interviews, it's very important. You have to be confident. That's
Okay,
why
so such competitions help you and all that. All right, focus children when you answer. Instead of saying you should say children, right? And otherwise, it's good. Overall, fine. Thank you.